Hey everybody, how's it going? Happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Hope everyone had a safe and healthy Thanksgiving. This video is going to be a little bit different than normal. The channel has just rolled over 10,000 subscribers in the past few weeks here, and I just wanted to say thank you to all my subscribers. I really appreciate everyone supporting the channel. You know, I do this just kind of as a side hobby, something I enjoy doing, so appreciate everyone's support. Please stay tuned for new stuff. I'm always going to be trying to add new content. I'm planning a garage workshop build here that I'm gonna hopefully be able to document and post to the channel, so that should be exciting. I'm adding like a 2-car workshop here at this backspace. You can see I've got it kind of roughly laid out, just roughly from the other day. Me and my dad set this up. This will be a 2-car garage workshop and a future upstairs build out on this structure, so that's forthcoming. In the meantime, I've got some stuff planned for this truck here as well, and the tried and true GMC Canyon that is the star of the channel. I know there hasn't been a lot of GMC Canyon videos and Colorado videos lately, but just haven't had much to do on this truck, but I do have some things planned for it over the next couple of months, so there'll be videos on this coming out shortly. In honor of hitting 10,000 subscribers, I'm doing a giveaway as part of this video, so you can find all the information on how to sign up for the giveaway, and the product I'm going to be giving away is one of these Husky bed mats. So I have one of these in this truck. This is my work truck. I didn't have the bed liner or anything in this truck, so it was getting all dinged up, messed up, so I got one of these Husky mats from online and put it in the truck to just kind of protect the bed a little bit. I also have one in my GMC Canyon as well that I've had for several years, and I like it a lot. It's great. It's a good alternative to an expensive bed liner, and if you throw stuff in the back there, it kind of helps it from skidding around if it's heavy enough. Like I said, in honor of hitting 10,000 subscribers, I'm giving away one of these bed mats, so you can find all the information in the description box below on how to sign up. The giveaway will be open for 5 days, and after that I will randomly choose a winner, and I will get in touch with you and then figure out what model to send you if you have a different size truck bed or whatever. And I'm not limiting it just to Silverados or Canyons, but those will be you know, the majority of people subscribed to my channel is either going to have either Chevy Colorado or a Canyon, or a Chevy Silverado or a Sierra. So anyways, check the description box for that, and you can have a chance to win one of these Husky rubber bed mats that are great for the bed. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks again for subscribing. Stay tuned for new videos. We'll see you next time. Later.